All right, so this is day, I'll say day two. It's less than 24 hours after I started this experiment, and so far we have 62 attendees, and I'm basically going to refresh this, and we are going to check how many we have today. So right now is 9:43. In the morning, and then we are going to keep, so this is just day one, we're going to keep going with this, and we're going to see how many people we can get. So we have 80 people, okay, which is very cool. So 80 people, and if we're able to get kind of like the same numbers every single day, so the experiment's going to last maybe 2 weeks. I'm going to see how many of those people I can get in there, okay? So, yeah, that is, checking in the morning and checking the results, and I will keep documenting this, okay? So I will see you in the next video.